Okay, Ji, this is lecture number 25, and today we are talking on the fractional slot winding. Previously, what we have done, just a little reminder, what we have done up till now, we have talked about the integral slot winding. That was on Monday. It was a double layer winding. Remember, single layer is never possible in these types of winding, so it's always to be double layer. Then yesterday we talked about the integral slot corded winding. So if there is a question asked to you that what are the winding types, so you can make this hierarchy table that your winding is first of all having the first two types. This is for double layer winding. One is called as integral, the other one is called as the fractional. And in integral there are two types. One is called as the full pitch winding, the other one is called as the fractional pitch winding. And when I'm talking about the fractional slot winding, this means G is actually something, a fraction in the form of P over Q. So certainly, and in fractional winding there are also some two types, but I'm not going in that detail over here because that will actually make it a little more complex for you. So we will just stick on to the only one type, that is having fractional slot winding, and this is actually the most difficult winding, and the rules are also a little messy over here. You will see when I will make the windings over here. Okay, now since G is a fraction, or actually Q is a fraction over here, so this G or Q, whatever you want to call it, since G is being used in your Agarwal book and Q is being used in this document over here, number of poles are quite large, so this means that the speed is going to be on the smaller side. Now one thing very important, G is a fraction and here it is 1.5. 1.5 fraction means that if you are going to make now what is G actually? Now listen to this very carefully. G is the number of slots per pole per phase. Yani ke if I have an A phase in front of one pole, north pole, I will be having 1.5 conductors. Okay? For one phase, A phase, B phase, C phase, whatever you want to select, under one pole, you are going to have 1.5. Now, 1.5 is not practically possible. So, how you are going to actually, the average value is going to be 1.5. So, this means that two consecutive, now listen to this very carefully, two consecutive poles, north, south, then north, south, because there are 8 poles. So, this means that you are going to have approximately 8 poles, 4 north, 4 south. So, now 4 north, 4 south means that the first and north and south, the number of slots in front of one pole or both of the poles for one phase is going to be 3. So the fraction whatever you select, it should become an integer when you make it in front of a pair of a pole. This is very important. ये बहुत ध्यान से. हाँ, 1.3 है. 1.3 is not possible. Possible नहीं है. You can't multiply it by something. Yes, 3.33 is possible. Because you can make it by 3 and you can make it 9 or 10, whatever you want to call it. But since yes, G ko 10 karna, it's going to be a very difficult winding. Yes, but it can be done. For very big machines can be done. 1.25 by 4, then you have to multiply it. So the fraction has to be selected in such a way that you can actually make that winding. And because the number of slots which you are getting over here is 36 by this GPM formula. Now 36 divided by 8. It's also not a fraction. Now this is also a very difficult thing. Now what was pole pitch? If you remember, if I take you back to your previous lectures, we have not drawn the poles over there. Kya reason hai uski? Anyone can tell me on this one? Why I have not drawn the poles? DC machines ke andar, if you remember the winding which we did in the last lecture, हम यहाँ पे poles बनाते थे. लेकिन in this AC machines हम यहाँ poles नहीं बना रहे. They are fictitious poles first of all, and they are revolving. ठीक है? Previously, north and south, they were fixed, but the machine was actually rotating in a DC machine. Here, the poles are rotating, which are being produced by this winding. Okay? So, I am not drawn it. But at any one instant time, if someone asks you, okay, ji, hame is pe pole pitch bhi bana ke dikhaiye. So, on this diagram, what is the pole pitch over here? I know pole pitch is 6. So, if someone asks you to draw the timing, supposedly at one time instant, so this means that your north pole would be here. Then the next is going to be up till the 12th, this is going to be the south pole. And then afterwards, up till this 18, this will be again north pole. And then afterwards, this will be another south pole. So at one instant. After some time, certainly after some, supposedly 1 second or whatever the time may be, because in 1 second you are going to have 50 cycles of the electrical waveform. So maybe only one cycle I'm talking about, then it will be something 1 by 50 time. So certainly one time period. So this means this will move by some distance over there. ठीक है, और ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है in the exam कि how many slots will be moved by the north pole. But I mean by, listen this carefully, if this is my north pole over there, this was at time t is equal to 0. Now if I move by on the electrical waveform from time t1 to t2, I hope you have taken the lecture which I have given to your 2020 session for the revolving field theory. There I have made timestamps. Okay, those timestamps t1, t2, t3, t4. So if you are going to talk about those timestamps, so it can be a question asked to you, okay, if I go from time t1 to time t3 supposedly, that is approximately 60 degrees, that 60 degrees on the electrical waveform means how many slots it is going to move on over here. So आपसे कहा जा सकता है कि you can give us the electrical angle how it is actually going to move. T1, T2. And just to give you an idea, those of you who have, let me find out where is my lecture actually, 2000, yes, this is the lecture that I have given to session 2020, revolving field. You can see I have given over here time T1, T2, T3. So this is 30, this is 30, 60 degrees. Okay, then the 90 and then, so all these timestamps are plotted. I will strongly advise you to just to memorize everything or refresh it. I have made all these times over there so you can go through. This is actually lecture number 19 from your EMF session 2020 which is going on at present. Okay, coming back to this one. Now, I have here a fractional slot winding. Now, problem over here which I just point out that when you are going to try to find out the pole pitch, 36 divided by 8 is not a whole number. Now, if you divide by a calculator 36 by 8, the answer is actually 4.5? 4.5. Now, 4.5 is not possible because what does this mean? That if I have this 36 slots, then in front of 8, how many slots are there? Sorry, this value is 4.5, sorry. So, I have 4.5, so it is not possible kg mein 4 and then I may call it, okay, this is north pole and then the next one is going to be the south pole. So I can't make this like this. So what I have to do now, since 4.5 is such a number, okay, 4.5 multiplied by 2 is 9 and every pole exists in pairs. So this means that when I'm going to talk about the poles, there are 8 poles. This will be north, south, north, south, north, south, north, south. 8 poles. So what I'm going to do over here, if I have 4 over here, I have 5 over here, then 5 over here, 4 over here. You can see how I'm making the symmetry. And then again 4, 5, 5, 4. Now in front of north pole, add them together, 4, 5, 4, 5. 9 plus 9, 18, which is exactly half of 36. So you have to maintain it something like this. Okay? So this is your symmetry for your fractional slot winding. Now, pole pitch is 4.5. Now in your any of the notes, they have not written it as 4.5. I'm just writing it down to actually tell you that is actually the average of this pole pair 4 plus 5, 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. It's actually the average. Now, coil span. Now this is a term which you have to decide. Maybe in some question it's not even given to you. So आपको एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा. You have to explore so many options कि which coil span actually makes your winding. For example, here in this case, they have given us the coil span over here equal to approximately 4 slots over here. Yes, it can fail. They're possible. आप इसको अच्छा, one thing very important. If I have kept it at 4, is it a corded winding or a full pitch winding? Yes, this is an ambiguity over here. Because at some poles it will be 4, some point it will be 5. So it is going to be having a difficult choice. Now we have to actually find out if the winding banegi ki nahi banegi. So this is very, very important that how you are actually going to see this. Okay, now I have now everything detailed over here, and a few things which I can actually find out is this gamma. This comes out to be 180 degrees divided by, what was the formula Ji? Anyone can remind me? S divided by P, so this is coming out to be 180 degrees. This was actually electrical angle, so number of slots is 36 divided by 8. Ji, Hamza, please give me the calculated figure. This is not here with me. ये हाँ नहीं ठीक है, ये सही है, हाँ कंफर्म है, ये सही है. कितना है? 40 degrees. It's an 8 pole, so that's why you are getting. So if you are going to actually find out that theta electrical, P by 2 theta mechanical also, this will be 4 times your theta mechanical. So this means if you are asked to find out this mechanical angle of this gamma, so electric, this will be 10 degrees actually. Okay, so this will be approximately divided by 4 over there. So 36 slots हैं, 360 degrees whole square, 10 degree का angle है, that is also over here. And if it is asked, please every time whenever you are winding question and if you have some time over there, please write down all this data. This data actually aids you to actually verify कि आपका जो winding design है, it actually complies with this phase spread and all this term. Now the phase spread, this is equal to going to be G into gamma. What is G over here? G is coming out to be 1.5. So 1.5 multiplied by, this is actually gamma electrical. 40. So this will be 60. This is 60 degrees over here. This is the phase spread in electrical angles over here. Okay, now few things are fixed. 4 slots, 4.5, and this is the sequence of your winding, the poles which you have actually. Now here, it's not that symmetrical that it was in your previous lecture. Yesterday we did it. It was having over here 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. This time it's not going to be symmetrical. This is very important. So now, when I have now made 36 vertical lines over here, I have to actually now connect it. Let me maybe check some, okay, this pink color. Now, the first thing first over here, I am going to use the coil pitch from the upper side. This means this side over here, this side over here, it is always going to be 4. Coil pitch will remain 4. Every time it will remain 4 because I have selected this one as this 4 slots. Okay. So now if I'm going to start, let me zoom in this one. So let me make the results over here. This is very important. Actually, the final form is given, but so I have from 1 plus 4, 5. So this means, now one thing very important, when you are going to make this winding diagram just to make your windings a little neat and adequate, I have a distance over here 1 and I have to go to 5. So certainly this means I have to travel this one, this one, this one, this one. So please mark first of all something at this point and like this. And I hope, since you don't have this iPad, but you have to make this with pencil. But still anyway, this is 2 and then I have this one as 4. So I have this as 1 to 4 and I'm going to make this one over here. And this is my A phase starting over here. Now, I have gone to 5 over here. Now, since G is equal to 1.5, as I told you, you are going to make pairs over here. So, the first pair you are going to make over here, यानी कि आपके पास यहाँ जो आएंगी coils, there will be 2. You are going to make 2 times round. Then you are going to go, the next one is going to be 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So this is going to be something like this. So here I am going to repeat this and I will have to go to 2 actually. So, a second, just let me make it a little symmetrical if it is possible over here. Okay. And let me, I'm just going to copy this one so that the winding is as easy as possible. So I have now. Now, after 6, now, this is the interesting part. Now, you did it clockwise. Now, you have to do the next one anti-clockwise. So, this means that from 6, you are going to go back. And now, you're going to go back by 5. Because आपने 4 के साथ coil बना दी है. अब आपने 5 के साथ पीछे जाना है. 6 minus 5, 1. And then 1 in anti-clockwise direction. 1 coil.
मतलब पहले थ्रूआउट आगे जाना है फिर थ्रूआउट पीछे.
देखो आपने यहाँ क्या किया था. लेट मी गो बैक टू दिस वन ओवर हेयर. यहाँ क्या किया था. इफ आई नहीं ठहरो एक सेकंड. यू आर हैविंग, यू मेड 3 in clockwise like this, and then afterwards you over here you had connection and you did it in anti-clockwise direction. ठीक है. Now here you have done it in anti-clockwise. Now there are 2 positions over here. Either here in this diagram, I am going to move from this one to here and then do the whatever I have to do it over there, or I can take this one and take it on the other side and take it to the other side. So both are possible.
अगर थ्रूआउट या इसमें भी पीछे जा रहे हैं ऊपर हम जो उसमें हम फ्लोट आई जिस तरह ये
वो आपकी मर्जी है. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक इफ यू रिमेंबर द टर्म इन योर डीसी मशीन देयर वर टू टाइप्स ऑफ वाइंडिंग, रेट्रोग्रेसिव एंड प्रोग्रेसिव. सो इट्स जस्ट अबाउट हाउ विच डायरेक्शन यू आर गोइंग.
प्रोग्रेसिव में रहते थे
तो फिर आपको डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव में क्लॉकवाइज आना. बिल्कुल. So this is now I have now up till 6 I have gone. Now from this 6 I am going to go in 1. So now I am going to show this one with the different color. Let me show it by this blue and
अगर इधर हम पहले स्टार्ट क्लॉकवाइज से करते तो हम नेक्स्ट जाते हैं.
हाँ नेक्स्ट जाते आगे जाते हैं. अब अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग इन द 1. Okay, I have this one. Okay, so now this is connected with 6 to 1 second over there, and now I will going to be going on. Let me just copy one, and this will be actually, I don't want to actually have the symmetry taken off. So this is over here. Now this from this 1 कहाँ जाना है जी?
सर फिर वही
4 है. Coil span 4 है. 1 minus 4, or just count it. If you can't do that negative calculation, easy for you. Count it over here. You have over here as 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, and this is 4. Okay, so you have to come at 33 over here. Let me just again copy something over here. This is coming from the 33 line. Okay, just let me copy this one. This is coming from the 33rd line. Actually, I should have copied this other one also because this was coming from that side. ये मैं आपके सामने I am doing this one live over here so that you have an idea what I am actually doing over here. Oh, come on. Anyway, it's not that very good, but still anyway, I have. Now, from this 33, कहाँ जाना चाहिए जी?
सर पहले उस पे क्लॉकवाइज से वेंडिंग
Now this anti-clock. अब ये एक हो चुका है. एक हो चुका. अब आपने 2 की तरफ जाना है. So from, हाँ, you are going to now go to from this 33. हाँ, अब आगे जाएंगे. 33 minus 5. ये जरा नंबरिंग देख लेना. मुझे कल भी आपके लेक्चर में थोड़ी सी हमने गलती की थी, वो है मैंने रेक्टिफाई कर दी थी. So from 33 you are going, हाँ इसमें एक ही करना था. So this is 28. Now from 28, let me just copy I guess from here, it will be easy for me. This is going to be on the clockwise 28. हाँ नहीं वो मैं उसको भी चेंज कर रहा हूँ, डोंट वरी, मैं चेंज करता हूँ उसको. आई विल टेक दिस ऑफ एंड मूव दिस.
सर कॉर्डेड जैसे ना यहाँ पर इस तरह
हाँ वो सिमेट्रिकल नहीं रही है वो पकड़ के.
इसका कुछ सॉल्यूशन बता दें. ये कॉर्डेड जब मैं भी कर रहा था ना तो इसके अंदर यही इशू आ रहा था कि वो
हाँ वो अब वो यस प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपकी सिमेट्री नहीं यहाँ बरकरार रह सकती. दिस इज़ एन इशू बट एनीवे मैं इसको कोशिश करता हूँ. लेट मी जस्ट मेक इट समथिंग कि इसको हम एक सेकेंड. ये देखो ना आपका सिमेट्री से मुराद यहाँ ये है कि ये चीज़ ऐसे आ रही है और ये चीज़ ऐसे आ रही है. यहाँ डिस्टेंस डिफरेंट है, यहाँ डिफरेंस डिफरेंट
सर
है.
वो वैसे भी वो इधर वाली स्लॉट में जानी है सर, वो आपने इधर वाली कर दी.
क्या कर दी है 28 में?
सर ये
नहीं ठीक है,
इसमें जानी है सर दूसरी वाली.
ठीक है 28 में जाना था. तो 28 plus 4 32 and then I have this from
सर
30.
सेकंड वाली जो आपने बनाई है ना, वन लाइन लगाई सर, वो अगली वाली में अगली वाली की डॉटेड में जानी, नेक्स्ट वाली.
कहाँ थे? सॉरी अगेन गिव मी द नंबर.
सर ये नंबर नजर नहीं आ रहा.
ये लो मैंने दिखा दिए यहाँ नजर नहीं आ
इससे
रहा.
सर ये 34 की उसमें नहीं 33 की उसमें जानी है सर. ये 33 आपने 32 यस सर आपने 32 की डॉटेड में लगा दिया सर. दोबारा लाइन लगाई है ना सर आपने.
कौन सा गलती है मुझे?
यस सर 29 वाली 33 के डॉटेड में जाएगी सर.
अच्छा ठीक है आई गॉट इट. नहीं ये मुझे समझ आ गई है व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. ये समझ आ गई. आई गॉट इट. ये सॉरी आप सिमेट्री वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ गई. सॉरी फॉर दैट. हाँ ठीक है वो आएगी, सिमेट्री आएगी ऑफ कोर्स. Okay, from this 33 you are going to return back to 33 एक्चुअली, हाँ सही सही आ रहे हो आप. You 33 is actually this set, 34 is this set, 35 is this set, 36 is this set. Okay, so from this 33 I have to now go to 29. So this has to be somewhere a point here. और फिर मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ. 33, हाँ वो पीछे से वाली कॉपी कर लेते हैं, बेहतर है. लेकिन खैर वो फिर वही मसला होना है उसके अंदर. वो चलो ठहरो, मैं देख रहा हूँ इसका. एंड आई हैव टू गो टू 29. ठीक है जी. सो अच्छा जी, नाउ आई हैव टू गो नाउ बैक. सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस 32, from this 32 minus 5, 27. So 27 के हम इसमें जाएंगे.
और वहाँ पर एक होगा जो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होगा.
And this will be like this. जी अब हम we will be going in. Let me just copy, I guess, one set over here from this one. Okay, so I have ये थोड़ा सा है यहाँ मसला करेगा. हाँ वो मैं उसको ख़त्म कर देता हूँ. जी from 27 I have to go in 23. Yes, I have to go in 23. ये गलत हो जाएगा, I know that, so I have to make it again. 22, 23 is here. This is my 23 and I have 27, so I will be having something here. This is my 23 and still it's not good. Symmetrical is lost. 27, एक सेकंड ही मुझे देखना पड़ेगा दोबारा. 1 2 3 4. This is going to be my, so this is something here, and from 27, still not the very best, but anyway. Okay जी, from here now 23 you are going to go in 26. Again change the color. I'm just doing it so that the other connections are shown over here as like this, and then I have it over here. From 23 I'm going to go in. नहीं जी, ब्लू वाले हमेशा 5 के बन रहे हैं. 18 में जाएंगे आप. You are going to go in 18. So this is 2. एक होगा ना ये आपका देखो. I told you this is 2 1 2 1 2 1. इस तरह से चलेगा. So this one is going to be from
पोल पिच तो 4.5 नहीं है सर.
पोल पिच 4.5 हो भी नहीं सकती है. It is 4 5 5 4 4 5 5.
तो सर हमने 4 5 के पेयर नहीं बनाने, तो सारे 5 ही हैं.
सर मैं भी
क्या 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 सॉरी.
4 5
जो नीचे वाले ये जितने भी सारे कनेक्शन हैं, these are going to be 5.
सर क्यों आपने कहा 4 5 होने?
ओहो, वो फिजिकली जब आप पे वो रखोगे then they will be like this. वाइंडिंग तो सिमेट्रिकल रहेगी ना. ठीक है.
सर ये मतलब 4 से भी कर
वो
सकते
सर
हैं.
हम ऊपर कर रहे हैं.
वो ऊपर कर रहे हो आप, वो ऊपर आप यहाँ पे कर रहे हो. सारे के सारे ये सारे के सारे 4 हैं. 2 1 2 1 है. वो वहाँ से उसको हम बैलेंस आउट कर रहे हैं.
तो सर ये जो मतलब ये हमेशा 5 ही रहेगा या 4 भी तो रख सकते हैं 4.5?
नहीं 4 रख के देखो, वाइंडिंग कंप्लीट ही नहीं होनी.
सर ये कैसे पता चलेगा?
ये आप ये मैंने कहा देयर इज नो रूल एक्चुअली ओवर हियर. यू हैव टू एक्चुअली फाइंड इट आउट. देयर इज नो रूल. अच्छा जी, फ्रॉम 23 आई विल बी गोइंग ऑन टू 18. Okay, from 18 and then from 18 22 I guess I can. हाँ यहाँ पे मैं कॉपी करने की कोशिश करता हूँ if I can actually use it. And from 18
सर एक आगे वाला कॉपी कर.
हाँ वो मैं भी देखता हूँ उसको. 19 plus 23.
23 से पीछे आएगा ये.
जी, from 23 I will be coming on to 23 minus.
सर एक नीचे ट्रायंगल बनेगा.
हाँ वो मैं भी बनाता हूँ, एक सेकंड. हाँ वो मैं बना देता हूँ, मिस कर गया. दिस विल बी पिंक कलर एंड दिस इज 3. दिस इज समथिंग हियर and this is going to be like this. So now from 23 5 and this would be again, now this time I will be in 18th second, so not dotted one. So this is going to be, oh, come on. So now I am in 18. 18 minus 4 again 14. I can maybe copy. एक वाला कोई कॉपी कर लेते हैं इधर से. So from 18, not very good, but still anyway, I guess ठीक है, कर लेते हैं दोबारा. 18 from 18 I have to go in. ये गलत है, नहीं वो नहीं जा रहा वो. सर खैर कोई मसला नहीं, नो इश्यूज. आई हैव यू whenever you are having something situation like this is the point, this is 18, 1 2 3 4 4.5, so somewhere here, yeah, somewhere here 14, and then I have from here 18.5. ठीक है जी. Now from 14 कहाँ जाना है जी? 14 from here you are going to go in 9. नहीं एक 14 minus 5 9. This is 9, and then from 9 I have to go. Let me copy this one. Okay, I have from 9. वो पे तंग करेगा, ये बेहतर है खुद ही बना लें. 9, and I have to actually mark this distance 1 2 3 4. I have to go in 13, so 1 2 3 4 I will be somewhat here. I will be here from 9 to 13. And from 13 I have to come back to, again I have to mark it 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I have somewhat here, I have here 13 over here like this, and then 10, and then from 10 I have to go in, I'm just trying to make it a little symmetrical. 14 I have to go here, and from 14 I have to go to 9. Where is 9? My over here 9 is this one, and 9 is here. हाँ जी, एक होगा. 10 minus 4, that will be 6. So what I have over here 10, this is my 10 6, so 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4, and this is my over here, so something 2.5. so this will be something here. I have 10 over here, so this is my 10, and I have to go in 6. नहीं 10 से 6 में जाएंगे ना हम. ऊपर कॉइल पेज 4 है. कहाँ? हाँ ये नीचे वाला नहीं, कहाँ पे नहीं.
ऊपर जो ट्रायंगल लगाया आपने वो आपने तो लगा दी चाहिए. आगे लगा दी सर, इसको यही.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, मैं समझ आ गई. ये सो ये 9 के डॉटेड में. ये खैर अब ये सिमेट्रिकल थोड़ी सी ख़राब हो गई है, बट एनीवे. सो आई हैव नाउ I have at 6, and दोबारा ये देख लेते, दोबारा देख. I have at this point, ये आया वापस हमारा. हाँ जी. So I am at 10. नहीं ठीक है, 10 के 9 के डॉटेड से है ना. तो 9 के बाद आपके पास 9 minus 4 5. हाँ 5 में आनी थी. यस यू आर राइट. सही कह रहे हैं जी, सही बिल्कुल. यू आर एक्यूरेट ऑन दिस वन. दिस इज़ 5 1 2 3 and 4. This is 2, so you are somewhat here, and this is your 5, and I am at 9th dotted, so you are here.
5 से सीधा 24 पे
5 से नहीं, हम क्यों जाएंगे? दिस इज कंप्लीट। क्या हो गया? कितनी वाइंडिंग करनी है? आई एम जस्ट शोइंग इट ओवर हियर एज A dash. Now the good thing is this: 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Symmetry is there. Now just to confirm it out, कि जी आपके पास you are having everything over here. This is A phase. 1 2 3 under one pole. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 and 3 1 2 and 3. ये ज़रा सा चेक कर लेना, ये ज़रा चेक कर लो एनीवन कि ये ठीक है यहाँ पे, ये 3 कनेक्शन, ये मुझे थोड़ा सा ठीक है, कंफर्म कर लेना इसको बाकी. सो दिस इज दी फ्रैक्शनल स्लॉट वाइंडिंग. वे हैं डिफिकल्ट, lot most difficult. And one thing very important, open your chapter number 6 R.K. Agarwal and kindly go through this winding. They have given a mathematical formula over there to design this winding. ठीक है? If you find any ambiguity, ask me. लेकिन वो काफ़ी मुश्किल फार्मूला है, काफ़ी मुश्किल फार्मूला है. उन्होंने एक पूरा एक टेबल बनाया है वहाँ पे. They made a table, they have made fractions for it. उसमें से कुछ कट होता है, वो आपको बताते हैं कि हाँ ओके, if first slot, second slot, उसके बाद ये दिस वन 5th slot, 6th slot. So they actually tell you कि which slot के अंदर आपकी बाइंडिंग जानी है. But they have given a devised a mathematical formula over there जिससे आप वो निकालते हैं. I'm not shown you this one, but if you think you can cater that formula, then you can actually. हाँ जी बिल्कुल इसी तरह वही सेम वही चीज़ आ रही है उसके अंदर आपके पास. हैं? वो 180 डिग्री आएगा भी नहीं इस वक्त. You can't see it. How much difference is there? You are in 1, you are in 5, so you have just difference of 4. So and what is the electrical angle over there? 40 440 160. ठीक है, so 160 20 डिग्रीज. हाँ वो 20 डिग्रीज आपका फ़र्क है. जिस तरह से आपका यहाँ पे फ़र्क आया था ओवर हेयर 540 आया था, विच वॉज एक्चुअली नहीं 560 आया था. 20 डिग्रीज का फ़र्क था बिकॉज दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शनल पिच वाइंडिंग ऑल्सो. दिस इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग एज अ फ्रैक्शन क्योंकि आपका पोल पिच है 4.5 and you are getting approximately a pole pitch of 4.5 and you are doing a coil pitch of 4. So this is called as the fractional slot winding. Now you have one paper with you. I guess everyone has been given. Do one winding just now. देखते हैं हमारे पास टाइम है कि नहीं है. Do one winding. हैं? हाँ मैं वो भी है. चलो मैं आपको एक I will just give the I will give this an assignment. The number of poles are 10. So now this is going to be heavy one. For number of slots SS is going to be 48. हाँ इसमें लाइनें नहीं है, वो आपको अब देखना पड़ेगा कि किस तरह से करना है. You have to do it. This is a fractional slot winding. Fractional slot double layer winding. Acha, I don't know, you shared me the date sheet of your exam yesterday. It's on Friday, I guess, and on Friday 8:30. So make sure कि 8:30 पे आपका सेंटर जहाँ भी बना है, on that center at least up till 2.5 hours or 2 hours, there is no one coming in that center. So I can extend the time actually. वो मैं चेयर साहब से बात कर लूँगा. I will talk to him on this one.
उसको भी चेंज करवाना डेट शीट को. सर मंडे एक पेपर कॉम के पेपर के अंदर 6 छुट्टियाँ.
किसके पेपर में 6 छुट्टियाँ?
और इस्लामिया के अंदर मतलब छुट्टी भी नहीं है.
इस्लामिया तो भी
वो तो कोई मसला नहीं है.
सर इसमें 2 छुट्टियाँ दी हुई है ना. सर डैम हमारा ज़्यादा कर देना, जल्द से कम कर.
जी बिल्कुल डैम होना चाहिए. और मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ ये डेट शीट अपनी ध्यान से कि उस सेंटर के अंदर, और अगर whoever is making a date sheet, I don't know Abdurrahman Kashif साहब और whoever is assigning the room, please make sure उनसे कह दो कि अगर रूम का इशू है तो then we can take the maker's lab.
सर वो नहीं मानते इस बात की, पर हमने लास्ट टाइम उनसे बात करने की कोशिश की थी. He was very, I would love to use the word stubborn here with the time table point कि जी मैं इसको चेंज नहीं करूँगा और वो हमारी